Welcome to the Company Value Investor channel. In this video, I am going to answer a question that was proposed by a viewer, Alexander. And Alexander would like to know if I would invest in the GameStop Corporation. Now, the way that I'm going to do it is I will focus on the company itself, not the stock, and I am going to use fundamental analysis, meaning I will use GameStop's financial statements to analyze the company. The information provided in this video was created using the most current public information available through the internet. It is based on my analysis and my personal opinions only. This video is for informational purposes only. I would like you to remember a few things. One of them is, if you like this topic and want more videos, please subscribe. If you like this video, thumbs up. If you don't like this video, thumbs down. And if you can provide any type of comment, positive or negative, I would greatly appreciate it. The ticker symbol for GameStop is GME. The current price is $20. The 52-week low is 20. The 52-week high is 32. This is the current information of the GameStop Corporation, and they have their financial records updated to 2017. On this side we have the ratios that most or some financial gurus like to use to analyze their companies. Now in 2017, the GameStop Corporation needed to make over almost 20% on their capital in order to meet the expectations of both their creditors and their owners. However, in the same year, they had a negative 104 million that they did not earn, so they were unable to meet the obligations to both the creditors and the owners. A negative means they were not able to meet that obligation. They did, however, had real earnings of 148, and this is interesting. They had a 48 million capital excess that basically they did not need to use external resources. They had enough money left over to use their own, and that's a good sign. This is a good sign. So here we have 148 and 48. It's actually a good company because we have two positives and one negative, and these two are considerably high as compared to this here. So remember, here is what they needed to earn to meet the obligations of the creditors and owners. Here is the real earnings, and here is the amount that they had in excess to run their daily operations. 2016, the rate went down to 16%, at negative 193, 138 positive earnings, and negative 649. This is a little troubling. Go to 2015, 18%, negative 56, a good 209, and negative 86. Because the real earnings is higher than both of these negatives combined, it's still a good company. Let's go to 2014, 17%, almost 18%, negative 64, 192, and 60. So we have two positives and one negative. Because the company earned almost 200 million and had a 60 million of excess monetary funds to run its operations, that makes them a very good company. Even though they didn't perform as well as other companies when it comes to this section here, they did very well over here, and that makes them a very good performer. Every year I think they had at least two positives, except for 2015, but they still had enough to surpass the needs of the negatives. Yeah, every year. So Alexander, would I invest in the GameStop Corporation? Yes, I would. It is a good company. As you can see, the analysis shows that it is well managed and it's had success the last few years. So again, I would invest in the GameStop company. The price is very reasonable, and I think in the next few years the value is gonna rise for this company only because it's being managed very well, and I see nothing but good things for this company, the GameStop company. Again, Alexander, I would invest in this company. If you have any questions or suggestions, please send me emails. If you would like me to analyze a company, send me the name of the company and I will do a video on it. Again, thank you for your time, and as always, keep investing.